Hello and welcome to Rankia YouTube channel. In this video session, I'm going to show you how you can delete Google My Activity as well as better manage it. Simply log into your Google account. On the left hand side menu, press Data and Privacy. Let's press that link. Here we have My Activity. Let's press on that to see what happens. There are some new options here, such as Search Services History. What you're seeing here will be different according to the way that you're using Google. If you want to delete activity from what is shown here, simply press Delete. You can select different time ranges. If you want to delete everything, press Always. And as we can see, these are the products that I'm using. All the activity that is within these products, press Next, and then confirm your deletion. Since each person uses Google account differently, if you want to delete everything, what you can do is press on Other Activity. Let's press on that. And let's imagine you're using Google Gemini. Gemini Apps Activity. You can actually manage that here as well. So what you're seeing here will be different according to the way that you're using Google. But one way or another, if you want to delete everything from your Google account, you have to press on Other Activity. Before I close up, let's press on Activity Controls. Google does provide you an option to turn off or turn on certain things, including turn off and delete web and app activity only. I can turn that off and delete activity accordingly. So activity controls are very important. I'd like to keep mine on because I use Google differently. So what we'll do is we'll actually go back. I just want to show you auto delete option. Okay, let's imagine you want to auto delete Search Service History. Let's press on that. And then let's press on Deleting Activity older than 3 months. Let's press on that. Now we have auto delete option. So you can basically set and forget. So instead of keep coming into your Google account to manage your activity, you can set it to auto delete. Okay, so that will be a personal choice according to the way that you're using Google account. Okay, so the option for auto delete is there according to the services that you want to auto delete. So these are the new options to manage my activity. Do keep in mind that certain activity may not be here under my activity. You have to press on Other Activity. Okay, now, if you want to manage your Google account better, definitely subscribe to Rankia YouTube channel.